bullet nose bird here. 1962 Ford Thunderbird, Landau. Now this particular car, still very original to how it would have been manufactured back in 1962. Color of it, L code Sahara Rose. Black vinyl interior. 390 underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes. Also has power windows. Power windows do work. We'll get around to the interior, let you check that out here just in a bit. Paint on it, as you can see, shows nicely. Take a look down the side of that straight car too. Check out the chrome up in the front, headlight surrounds, grille. Looks very original. Also be still pictures of this car from top to bottom, inside and out. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there, and of course you can call us too, 507-386-1726. That 390 is paired up with the 3-speed Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission. Love how they incorporated the door handles right into the trim on these. Great look. Black vinyl top, also a nice shape, as is the interior. And again, we're going to pop that driver's door, check that out a little closer here when we get around to the driver's side. Take a look down the passenger side. From the rear, you got that jet engine looking rear tail lights on these. That's kind of what they were going after, I believe, is a jet design, harkening back to the older jets from the early 60s. Take a look at the chrome and bright work on the rear. Dual exhaust. This car's got a nice little rumble coming out of that 390. We'll fire it up, let you hear that. Take a look at the still pictures. You'll see I've moved the sound deadening that's in the trunk away and taken pictures underneath that. So check that out. Check the underside of this car out. You also need to know we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look at this down that driver's side. Those long panels, that had a lot of work done to them, or poor work done to them. You're going to notice you're going to have ripples, you're going to have waves in them. Look at that. Also take a look at that door seam. Look at how even and nicely that fits. Take a look at how this handle comes up here even, nice and even. Notice there is a little touch up on that door right there. Bright work, also in nice shape on this car, riding on radial tires. Wheel covers. Take a look at the interior. Once again, you can see still pictures of this car inside and out, top to bottom, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look at the bottom sides of these doors. I got pictures of both of those online. Look at that. Looks good. Here's your power windows. And then also the lock for the power windows. Center console. Buckets up front. Now, it has had an aftermarket stereo put in. You can see that light. It's got a little kind of aftermarket dome light set up on it that will go on and off with the door closing. Aftermarket stereo does work. Wipers work. Horn works. Take a look at the seats. Obviously we have seat belts there. Take a look at the seats. Just a little bit of wear. Seam giving away just a little bit down there. Back seats all looking good. Passenger seat also looks good. Take a look at the headliner. A couple real fine cracks in the dash. You can see those. Let's start this one up. Oops. There we go. Fuel gauge works. I had it idling just a little bit ago, so the temp is up a tad. Believed to be original miles according to previous owner, 77,061, going on 62. I can't confirm or deny that. Miles will not stay on the title after the vehicle's so old. Radio does work. Want to fire that up so you can hear it. Turn that off. Alright, slip around to the back. There is a picture of the data tag in with the still pictures also. Alright, slip around to the back of this. Listen to that. Healthy sound 390. Nice deep little rumble coming out of that one. Alright. I'm going to pause this a second. Got to pop the hood release inside the car, get the hood open, and let's check out the...
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
That 390, little dress up, chrome valve covers, air cleaner cover. Also has a newer aluminum radiator that was installed in it, power steering, power brakes. Nice sounding, good looking engine bay. And again, you can check out the engine bay and the still pictures along with the rest of this car. 1962 Ford Thunderbird Landau, power steering, power brakes, power windows, 390 underneath the hood. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.